Print Sustainability Awards are incredibly important to C&C Group, and it's our absolute pleasure to be working in partnership. We believe that sustainability is at the core of everything that we should be doing within the industry, and how we look after the planet, we look after our people, we look after our social and community is the foundation of our industry, and we have to work together, share ideas, share best practice, share the knowledge so that we can all improve and continuously improve together.
It's just really moving to see these businesses, many of which don't have huge teams, putting in so much effort, and they're addressing not just decarbonisation, but social justice, just transition, people, and they are the main point. And I find it, maybe I'm just in a very emotional mood, but I'm just finding it like really quite beautiful.
So we have initiatives like Drink More Water, Bar Water Tomorrow, which you see right outside the bar. We are sponsoring just to inspire the bar industry to operate in a more sustainable way.
We were trying to minimise packaging waste, we were trying to reduce plastic packaging, we were trying to reduce the weight of our bottle. We got rid of 7 tonnes of plastic packaging from the wax that used to be on our bottle. But that was a conversation with people.
The thing I like about Footprint particularly is the fact that we've got large companies and small companies in the room together, and judging Footprint, it really shows what some of those small companies are really doing. We're a bit like a large company like ourselves, like moving an oil tanker, but these small companies are like little speedboats weaving around us, and I think us oil tankers can learn a lot from those small companies.
So I think the really great thing about the reuse programme is the fact that we're saving thousands and thousands of cups of going to landfill and actually helping our customers understand what they can do to actually have an impact. And hopefully by us doing that in our event pubs shows what everyone else can do in the pub sector, which could have such a massive impact across our industry.
Awards like these are fundamental to shine the spotlight on innovation in the industry.
I think essentially the awards are important, but it's actually understanding the nitty-gritty, and the key thing we find is improvement. It's okay if you're not 100% amazing right now, but your ability and desire to change, to grow, to be more, that is the key thing, and I think the awards help recognise those efforts.
We work in an industry that is, partly we make products, but also we're a big part of a community. We influence people coming to our bars and restaurants. And so we have a really big role to play in cultural change. So every single person in the room tonight is having an impact there. And so I would like to dedicate this award to every single person who came to the award tonight, who's been part of the nominations, whether they won tonight or not, because they are doing the hard work that really needs to be done.